Okay, so fuel tank mounting hardware, and I'm going to do the back one first. So in the back is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The protective cap, I already took that off. The lock nut, there's 2 lock nuts. One at that end. Oh no, number 2, okay. And number 2 is up front, okay. So, this is the bolt on one side. Let me flip this. And there's my finger. This is the other side, okay? Okay. And this is the tool that's going to go on this side. And this is the tool to keep the bolt from moving on the other side. And I'm going to take it off.